How to create a Freetone account. So if you want to create a Freetone account, all you have to do is go to your Play Store, and then under Play Store on the search bar, search for Freetone, and after searching you will have an install option, so make sure to install the app. I have already installed the app, so I'll just open. After installing, tap on open, and after opening the app, tap on get started, which is on the bottom of your screen. And then here you will have two options. You can either log in or sign up with email, or you can also sign up with your Facebook or your Google account. So if it's convenient for you to log in with Facebook or Google, you can simply tap on that. But if you want to log in with email, then you can simply tap on login or sign up with email. And here you can enter your email address, and after entering your email address, tap on continue. And now after entering your email address, it is asking you to enter a password which must be at least 6 characters long. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel. So on the bottom side you will have how old are you. So on the next step you will have how old are you. So here choose your age, make sure it is about 18 years, and after that the last option is you identify yourself as, so male, female, non-binary, third gender, or decline to state. So after choosing all of this, you can simply tap on create, and that's it guys. That's how you create a Freetone account. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.